Welcome to CodeQuest. Today we are going to learn about the one of the concept in the jQuery is slide. Basically, slide is an effect. In the earlier classes in my channel, I have said about the fade effect, how the fade is used, and we have written the code by using fade effect. So, if you did not see that videos, if you wanted to see, you can go and learn the fade effect in my channel, and those links are provided in the descriptions and the I button also. Now in this video session we are going to learn about the slide. There are three types of slides. Likewise, how we have seen the four types of slide fade effects in the fade effect. What are the four types in the fade is fade in, fade out, fade toggle and fade to. And we have seen how those are working in my earlier sessions. And here we have the three types: slide up, slide down and slide toggle. Now without doing any late, we will hurry into our code place and we will write a code by using these three effects. Okay, now you can see my code place, and this is the where we are writing our script jQuery. In the script tag, what I have written is all these are headings, tags which are mandatory, and in the style I have written like display none. That is, this should not display anything initially when we open the browser. Now what is my expectation is when I hit on the button, whenever I hit on the button, this paragraph to slide on, the thing which is in the p tag should be slide down. Okay, that is what my expectation is. Now we will write the code to achieve that. Now I am writing a button which is having the click function. Okay, and now I am writing the effect to which it should be applied. I have provided ID SSS. So I am writing the same ID here. What I have written is I have written a button which is having the click function. My expectation is when I click on the button name is click to slide down. When I click on that button, the thing which is in the p tag should have to be slide down. That is my expectation, and that is what I written in the code. Now we will see whether it has correctly executed or not. I'm running the program now. Now we can see the effect. When I hit on this button, this line is sliding down with an animation effect, and this is achieved by writing this code. And what to do if we want to slide it up? Just simply we'll write slide up. That's it. Why it is not coming? Now we will look into the code and we'll find out what happened with the code. What is happening in the code is basically I have written display none here. What display none is doing? Display none will do, it will display nothing when the page is landing or when the page is landed already, and that is why it is not displaying. Now what I will do is, let me change this button, slide up, click to slide up, and what I'm doing now is I'm removing this CSS code, this style. Okay, and I'm saving this code, I'm running it. Okay, it is open already. Now what is happening here? It is displayed directly because we have removed the CSS code. When I hit on this button, it will go up. This is what slide up. And now we will see slide toggle, how it works. I'm again writing the CSS code and I'm changing here. I'm saving the code and I'm running it. I, now we will change button also. Here slide toggle for better understanding. It's not a mandatory. Button is changed, as you can see. When I hit, it is slided down. Again when I hit, it is going up. This is what slide toggle. I hope you understand the slide effect, and you can also see my other jQuery videos in my channel CodeQuest. In earlier classes I have explained about the fade effect and some events, selectors, etc. So I will provide each and every session links in the description, and also I will provide in the I button also. You can search there. I hope you understand my session. Thank you.